Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Steam Deck so Ubisoft Connect can run reliably. Enable developer mode and make sure Steam OS and Proton are fully updated. This reduces compatibility issues. Once done, install Flatpak or the desktop's app manager so you can handle Windows runtimes and dependencies. You do this because the deck needs extra libraries and permission changes to host Ubisoft's launcher. Without updates and a desktop installer, the next steps will fail or behave unpredictably. Next, switch to desktop mode and download the Ubisoft Connect installer. Choose the Windows EXE and prepare a Proton GE prefix for better compatibility. Use the compatibility tool when adding the installer to Steam and install into that Proton GE prefix so DirectX and D3D dependencies are handled. Once installed, add the Ubisoft Connect executable to Steam as a non-Steam game. Mark launch options to use the Proton prefix and test launch. This ensures Steam OS overlays and controller mapping work correctly. Finish by logging into Ubisoft Connect and enabling two-factor authentication if prompted. This secures your account and prevents sign-in loops. Once logged in, install or verify a small game to test the overlay, cloud saves, and controller mapping. Adjust Steam input if buttons feel off. If the launcher crashes or games fail to start, try clearing the Proton prefix and reinstalling with a different Proton GE version. This resolves most runtime mismatches and DLL conflicts when running Windows launchers on the deck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.